Welcome back, future medicos. The Tamil Nadu state government has released a notification for MBBS or BDS admission for the year 2020. So right now we are at the website where we have all the details about the MBBS and BDS admission and the online registration that you can start. So you can see here the first document is click here for admission to MBBS or BDS 2020 session online application. So if I click here, it will take you to the online registration. And in the online registration, you have two options. One, it says government quota, and the second, it says management or NRI quota. So there are two applications you can submit to Tamil Nadu. The first one, that is government quota. Okay, if you are applying to government quota, you must be a native of Tamil Nadu, or other state candidates can apply, but they should have studied from 6th standard to 12th standard. So what are the conditions to apply to government quota? Number one, you should be a native of Tamil Nadu. Number two, other state candidates who have studied in Tamil Nadu for 7 consecutive years, that is from 6th standard to 12th standard. But these other state candidates will be considered only under open category. They cannot claim any kind of reservation. They can be a scheduled caste candidate, but they have to still apply under open category. So these two category of candidates can apply to government quota. The second one, management or NRI quota. For this category, anybody can apply. Now, who can apply? Any candidate across India, including candidates from Tamil Nadu, who have passed NEET can apply under management category. Within management category, there are some minority seats are available, like Telugu minority or Malayalam minority seats. For these minority seats, only Tamil Nadu native candidates are eligible. So in addition to fulfilling the minority requirements, say for example, Telugu minority, you should have Telugu as your mother tongue, plus you should be a native of Tamil Nadu. Even though it comes under the management category, the minority category seats are reserved only for Tamil Nadu candidates. Those non-minority seats, of course, anybody can apply. Similarly, NRI quota, anybody can apply. Only thing, if I'm not wrong, Tamil Nadu restricts NRI quota only to NRI candidates or children of NRI people. Basically, NRI sponsored candidates, I think, are not eligible. Let me confirm that, but better check the prospectus. The last time I checked in 2019, NRI sponsored candidates are not eligible to apply for NRI quota in Tamil Nadu. So government quota and management or NRI quota. Now, there may be certain candidates who belong to or who are interested in CMC Vellore. They might have previously applied to CMC Vellore under the minority network category. Now they are all asking the question, when should I apply? Where should I apply, right? Now this is the chance for you. Now you need to register under the management or NRI category. Those who have applied for CMC Vellore, irrespective of whether you are from Tamil Nadu or you are from other states, you must register with management quota. Okay, so take note, CMC Vellore candidates, whether you have applied to CMC Vellore or not, doesn't matter. You must apply to management quota. So this applicable to both candidates that are applying under minority network as well as open category candidates should register under management quota, and subsequently you need to participate in the counseling. So these are the two applications. So if you come here, you click the government quota, it will open the registration page for you, and they have shown you the step-by-step things you need to do: user registration, login, personal information, and so on, right? You can go through that, and if you are having a new registration, you click here, it will take you to the new registration, and you just follow the details as per the application form. Now these are the details you need to know. Of course, you can also download the prospectus. There is a prospectus for government quota as well as there is a prospectus for management quota. Both is available in the website, so you can go ahead and download these two. So you can find all the details in this prospectus. Now, this is just a very quick introduction I wanted to give you. Later on, I will provide a much more details about the admission. There are some surprise news, or there are some sad news for open category candidates in Tamil Nadu. I will discuss about that in my next video. Please go ahead and start your registration. So the registration closes, I think, is around the 12th of November. So take note of that, and then accordingly, I expect you to go ahead and do the registration. Okay. So you can see here, the last date is 12th November up to 5 p.m. So you have about 9 days from now. So the registration is open now and it closes on 12th November, 5 p.m. So my best wishes to you. I see you in the next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.